Well, good morning and welcome to Pioneer Update, brought to you by the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you. As we get caught up on what is happening in the Batesville School District, we're being joined by Assistant Superintendent David Campbell. Sir, how are you today?
Hey, we're doing great.
So let's talk about some of the things happening there at the Batesville School District. Something big with the Transportation Department. Tell us about it.
That's right. We've got some exciting news. We are in the process of relocating our Transportation and Maintenance Center.
Well, that's awesome. Now, what's kind of some of the benefits of doing that? It's been there for quite a while, and where are y'all going to move it to?
That's right. So, currently we're out there on East Main Street, and so our plan starting next school year will be transitioning the Transportation Center to the secondary campus, and we're going to locate it kind of behind the junior high and high school, and that's going to allow us to have our secondary bus students to load and unload to the south side of the junior high.
So what is this kind of going to entail? I mean, the process is, as you mentioned, it's going to be starting next school year, so this is going to be a summer project for the most part?
It is basically. We're going to hit the ground running as fast as we can. Our goal is to have phase one completed by August 1. So, our board made this decision sort of as a community economic development decision and also to help our district. And we're doing this to accommodate the expansion of LaCroix Optics. They're located right behind our current transportation center, and they're hoping to bring in over 150 jobs to Batesville families. But this also is going to be a big efficiency move for our district, and it's going to be able to save us several $100,000 a year in travel and operation expenses.
Well, that is awesome. Sounds like big things are happening. We thank you so much for joining us for Pioneer Update. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That's a Pioneer Update brought to you by the Citizens Bank, a bank built for you.